This video tutorial is going to be on the branded video capture link. This tool is fantastic for creating videos offline. Say you have somebody you want to capture an expert tip video from, or a little interview video from, or what have you. You could send them this link super easily, or you could bookmark this on your phone's home screen, whatever you want to. Click this link right here. And then when they open it up, this link is, it's literally super simple. It's literally about recording a video of whatever you want. It's a part of your Swiss Army knife of the platform. Name that video, click record, and you have 90 seconds to record and video an expert tip video of the week, your About Us About Me video, whatever you want. This tool can do it. So this is a pretty short and sweet tutorial video. Just want to give you an explanation on what this video tool is and how you can use it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little fast tutorial video. Next video you want to watch is on the video wall. I'll see you over there.